Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to find the factorial of a number. So how to find factorial of a number? So for example, if I take my n value is equal to 5, 5 factorial value is 120. How can I say the value is 150? Which is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So I have to start from 1 up to the value n. I have to find the product of all the numbers. So the final result will be 120. So this is the factorial of a number. Fine. Now let's see how to write this as a program. I'll start with preprocessor directive hash include stdio.h. The execution of the program always starts from the main function. First I'll declare a variable n to get the input value from the user. Scanf %d comma ampersand n. Okay. So here I'm going to take a variable called fact. I'll initialize a value as 1 because first I'll take the value 1 that should be multiplied by some number. I should get back the same number. So for that I'll be taking the variable called fact. I'll initialize the value as 1. So I'll start the iteration from 1. I'll end up to n because I have to start multiplying the value from 1 to n. Then I'll give I plus plus. Okay. So what I'm going to do, fact is equal to fact into I. So let's start the iteration from 1 onwards. 1 less than or equal to 5. Condition is true. If the condition is true, I'll go inside. Fact value is 1. I value is also 1. So 1 into 1, the value is 1. So that will be stored in the variable called fact. Then I'll go to next iteration. I value becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, what I'll do? I'll go inside. I have to multiply fact with I. Fact value is 1. I value is 2. 1 into 2, the value is 2. That will be stored in the variable called fact. Then I'll go to next iteration. I value becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. I'll go inside. Fact equal to fact into I. Fact value is 2. Into I, the value is 6. That will be stored in the variable called fact. Then I'll go to next iteration. I value becomes 4. 4 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, I'll go inside. I'll give fact into I. Fact value is 6. I value is 4. 6 4s are 24. That will be stored in the variable called fact. Then I'll go to the next iteration. I value becomes 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. I'll go here. Fact into I. Fact value is 24. I value is 5, which is 120. That will be stored in the variable called fact. Then I'll go to next iteration. I value becomes 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. Condition is false. I'll come out of the for loop and then I'll print the variable fact, which helps us to find the factorial of a number. So fact return 0. Let me save the code and let me execute the code. I'll give the input value as 5. I've got the output value as 120. That's all.